This is my second season on the road with Mule Polly. The year before, we started our voyage in Neptune, Saskatchewan. That first season, we just tried to get the hang of wagon life. Well, sort of. Polly ran away with and wrecked the wagon. And then there were all the flats. I also learned from scientist Neil Larson that the fossil I carried in my wagon came from a creature called a baculite, which he said was
about 4.5 feet in length.
After 6 months on the road in the Black Hills of South Dakota, winter finally caught up with us. We took a break from the road until conditions improved.